This is something that no one is talking about for some reason, which is very shocking. So, we are going to talk about social media and the ways people are making money on it while I do my skincare. So, I've been seeing a lot of these videos pop up about little girls dancing, and the thing which I find very wrong about them are the songs, the background songs. One of them was Bhitar Bhitar Aag Lage. That song is not something you would want your 10-year, 12-year, 6-year, 9-year-old girl to be dancing on. Everyone in the comment section was like, oh my god, her expressions. And no, she's not supposed to be biting her lips. She's not supposed to be moving her hips like that or her chest like that. Let's just say this is kind of objectifying that little girl. And on reality shows, I have seen judges making comments like "आपकी अदा, आपके ठुमके." That is a underage girl, and this is the kind of comments that you are making. Now with these, they are managed by their mothers generally or their fathers, and they very proudly have that mentioned in the bio itself so that you can reach out and stuff like that. And one of those kind of creators, I came across her mother's profile and I went there and then I saw this reel. Your daughter is 9. There is no need for you to be having this. There is no need for you to be making your girl dance on a song which is about sex. You would see the dance teacher hyping that up, which again I think is morally not something that you should be doing. And I found only one article when I looked this up on the internet, and that was a Reddit thread, and everyone actually agreed with it, because the kind of comments that you would see, beware, like continue watching on your own, I don't know, kuch to bolte na usko, the disclaimer, which is coming from their like parents' account. And this is not, this you should not, what are you trying to say? Like, what is with the fire and the spicy emoji? What are you trying to say, that your girl is hot, that the dance is hot, that the dance is sizzling? Your girl is 10, sir. You That's not how it should be, man. This is a trend that I've been seeing happening a lot, not just like with dance things, but with a lot of product sponsorships, right? Because this is comparatively a newer market, like the baby products and the mama products market is relatively newer. So the more babies ka product is being thrown in your face, the more you would want to buy them. So a lot of people have been doing this. There is no way that the child gave consent to film this, and there is no way that this is something that you should be doing, keeping in mind that there are better ways to film things, there are better ways to market things, and that is not it. This is not it. It is using your kid to run your family, to run your household. And this is the major problem that I had with DID Little Champs also. In the longer run, the way this type of immense attention that comes their way, the way it alters their behavior, because there is no way that these parents would actually acknowledge that the behavior, that the child, the way they are behaving is normal, is okay. You should not be dressing your daughter like this when she is 9 years old. That you should not be doing that. Let her grow a little and let her decide what she wants to wear. This is like a chota size of what adults wear, which is happening a lot with the clothes nowadays, right? Like, oh, make it more aesthetic. No, you are supposed to wear teddy bear print wale things. Let them enjoy their life. What is up with this social media fame so early on in their life? People need to understand, people need to realize, like, we as viewers have the power to do this, and if we do not, then it's not going to change. There should have been someone commenting on the video that, oh my god, this is uncomfortable to watch, given that your daughter is 10-year-old, and the kind of faces that she is making, and the way that dance teacher is hyping her up. Dance teacher is legal, she's an adult, so she can do whatever she wants, right? But there has to be a boundary, because if you check, I checked on her page, the dance teacher, and the videos which have this girl, has a lot of views because how popular the little girl is. The little girl is very very cute, all of those things no one's going to deny, but don't kill innocence just because you want your kids to be famous, and just because you want those sponsorships, and just because you want that award. There are kid influencer awards also. My god, I have problem with general influencers. I think that is with everyone. People have problem with general influencers, and we have kid influencers now also. With what's with this, she's dancing with her daughter on Ramta Jogi. Look at the way these two are dressing the same. No, I see, this is very cute. Okay, I do not mind this. Not my daughter, not my business. But again, is this something you should be doing? Is this how you should be dressing your daughter? Is this how your daughter is supposed to move, and you encourage her to move her body like that? Come on, all of us know, and that is the major reason why we want kids to not be in social media, into social media, because there is a lot that can go wrong when they are exposed to social media and when they are a part of it. So come on, we can stop this. One more thing, I will be linking all of the products that I'm using in the description so that you can go ahead and check it out. And I have seen some parents fight with people in the comment section for something that they said, for their opinion or something. There have been a few boys also, like little boys dancing, but I it didn't come in my feed that much, maybe because I do not interact with a lot of their content, and the girls wala content was being pushed every single day. It is on the dance instructor and on the parents and not much on the kids. You should not be doing this. Like, you do not know the kind of people on social media, the mentality that they have.
Just wanted to mention why I'm so passionate about this, because I was just going through a documentary and a PDF file mentioned that they do not have to work hard to find content, because parents and moms on social media are posting their kids very openly. So that is how they are able to find content.
And the dance instructor could have toned down the steps, because I've been dancing for super long. I know there are alternatives. And yeah, god, like, she leaves and she's admiring. I think there has to be boundaries to when and how much you let the little people, the little people, I mean the little kids, be on social media, like with their photos and videos and stuff like that, because this is getting really out of hand. And all of us, like the adults, are to blame, because first off, you should not be interacting with those videos, because that's just bad. The second thing is that the parents are at fault, the dance instructor is at fault, and then, like, the industry is at fault, because there are not a lot of good kid friendly songs, and also there are not a lot of good clothes which are different than the adult version, smaller size, if that makes sense. Like, this is adult version, smaller size. बच्चों के कपड़े हमेशा से ऐसे नहीं रहे हैं, ठीक है? यू डोंट वांट योर किड्स टू बी इन ब्लेजर्स एंड पैंट सूट्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. दे कैन बी इन नॉर्मल क्लोथ्स, देयर कैन बी इन द चूचू वाले चप्पल ऑल्सो. यू नो नीड फॉर little girls to be wearing high heels and stuff, because even that is happening a lot, and that is very very bad for their body. Just do not do that. Like, stop it somehow. Something you can do to stop that. The Reddit thread that I mentioned had only one person saying that we are objectifying or sexualizing the girls. I do not completely disregard what he has mentioned. You have every right to go ahead in the comment section and let me know what you think. Please be respectful. I wanted to talk about this from, like, since the beginning of this channel, and I hope you stayed with me throughout. Again, I am not trying to bash anyone in this. These are my opinions and I feel them very strongly, and that is why this is a discussion that need to happen more often. We need to make sure that what is being shown on our screen is something which would sit well with you if that were to happen with your daughter or son. See, अभी ऐसा हो गया ना, पैसे कमाने के लिए lots of people are doing lots of things, but is it the right thing to do? Because देखो, पैसे कमाने के लिए तो कोई बैंक में चोरी भी कर सकता है, but is that the right thing to do? I don't know. You tell me. Bye.